Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you a room tour, so let's start. Entering in my room, first thing you will see is this bed where I sleep, and then my desk, which is the best thing in the room and I love it most. So let's have a brief look. Starting here, I have a charger for my phone, which is like Realme 2 Pro, and a cable, and then here is a logo type thing which I made 2 years back. It says Nikhil Gujjar NG, and then I cap because it's too sunny outside. And moving over here, this is how my desk look like, and this is the chair on which I like sit down and use my PC or study some books. So let me sit on my chair and give you a brief look of my desk. So at the top I have my CPU, which is 6 gigs of RAM, 2 GB graphics, Intel Core i3, and then a keyboard which is actually a wired one, and then some Intex speakers, 2 of them actually, and then a monitor which is from Compact, and here is a little guy, as you can see on the top. This is a prop from Aquaman V, which I love, and then this monitor, and then a mouse. This is also from Intex, and at the corner we can see a Thor's hammer because I'm a Marvel fan, and here we have a clock because I don't like to use the digital clock over this corner because I have hidden my quick shortcuts bar, and that's why I have a clock, and then a plant which is not real actually because I can't water it every day, and then we have a small globe type thing which was given to me by my friend. That's just staying over here. And moving on, we have a pen holder in which I keep my pen, and then we have nothing for good and everything. Then these are my books which I'm studying currently, as you know I'm in the class today. So I have some books like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and then I have my diary in which I used to write everything. Moving on, we have few notebooks over here, and then this is all what's on the table. Now let's move on to the drawers. At this first drawer, I have my UPS and my woofer, and then this is the power supply unit, and all these goes to this hole at the back of the table, and which looks neat in my opinion. And then in this drawer I have a box, some tape, and some keys for these drawers, and then I have a box in which I used to keep my pen drives and stuff, and then I have these electrical tapes, Moving on to the other side of the drawers, in this drawer I have my glasses which I use while reading or usually use, and then I have my watch, and in this I have 2 more pair of glasses which are sunglasses, and then here is a ring which I actually don't wear but it's just there, and then some papers. Actually, let me show you something. Look at this. These are some calligraphy things, Nikhil, and it's like Gujjar and other stuff. Moving on to the bottom shelf. Here I have some books from last semester which I actually don't read now. So this was all on my table, and then this is my bed, study bed, where I sleep. And then on the opposite wall I have a painting which is one of its kind. It's very beautiful. It's Buddha, and it is made in 2018 by me. And then I have an extra chair which was earlier my study table, now no one uses it, and then an almirah in which I keep my